Hello, fellow rug enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we delve deep into the captivating world of rug design and explore how it can effortlessly transform any space into a cozy haven. Today, I am thrilled to address a topic that many of you have been eagerly requesting: DIY rug cleaning and maintenance. Now, I understand that some of you may be wondering, Elizabeth, why should I clean my own rug when I can simply hire a professional? Well, my friends, allow me to enlighten you. Let's begin by discussing the cost. Professional rug cleaning services can be quite pricey, especially if you have multiple rugs in your home. Additionally, rugs tend to accumulate dirt and grime rapidly, particularly if you have children or pets frolicking around. Consequently, being able to clean your rugs yourself can save you a substantial amount of money in the long run. Now, please do not misunderstand me. Professional rug cleaning is undeniably crucial. In fact, I highly recommend having your rugs professionally cleaned at least once a year to ensure they remain in impeccable condition. However, in between these professional cleanings, there are numerous measures you can take to keep your rugs looking fresh and resplendent. Let us commence with regular maintenance. One of the most vital actions you can take to prolong the lifespan of your rug is to vacuum it regularly. And I am not referring to a hasty once-over with the vacuum. No, my friends. I'm referring to a thorough, deep vacuuming that eradicates all the dirt and debris that can become trapped within the fibers of your rug. Trust me, your rug will sincerely appreciate this gesture. But what about those vexing stains? We have all experienced that moment, haven't we? You accidentally spill a glass of red wine on your pristine white rug, and panic immediately ensues. Fear not, for I have a few DIY cleaning solutions that will enable you to tackle these stains like a seasoned professional. For most stains, a simple mixture of warm water and mild dish soap will suffice. Just combine a few drops of dish soap with a bucket of warm water, dip a clean cloth into the solution, and gently blot the stain. Be cautious not to rub the stain, as this can cause it to spread. Simply continue blotting until the stain vanishes, then rinse the area with clean water and blot it dry. Now, for those more stubborn stains, such as pet accidents or coffee spills, you may need to elevate your cleaning game. One of my preferred DIY cleaning solutions for these types of stains involves a combination of white vinegar and baking soda. Merely mix equal parts vinegar and baking soda to form a paste, apply it to the stain, and allow it to sit for approximately 15 minutes. Then, using a clean cloth, gently blot the stain until it disappears. Rinse the area with clean water, blot it dry, and voila, good as new. Of course, these are merely a few examples of the countless DIY cleaning solutions and methods available. The key is to always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of your rug before applying it to the stain. And remember, when in doubt, it is always best to consult a professional. Well, my friends, I hope you found these tips and tricks invaluable in maintaining the beauty and longevity of your rugs. Remember, a well-maintained rug has the power to breathe life into any room and effortlessly complement your furniture in the most exquisite manner. So go ahead, shower your rugs with the love and care they deserve, and witness as your space transforms into a haven of comfort and style. Thank you immensely for watching, and as always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy rug cleaning!